Though the parrot sits on its tree, talking and then chirping happily, it repeats everything you say and sings a song every day. Squawk, squawk, the parrot sings, flapping its wings, making things ring. Tweet, tweet, it says hello. The parrot's words always flow. Though the parrot loves to fly around, it flies up high and never hits the ground. With colors bright green and blue, it shares the world with me and you. Squawk, squawk, the parrot sings, flapping its wings, making things ring. Tweet, tweet, it says hello. The parrot's words always flow. The parrot's words always flow. When the sun begins to set, the parrot rests, not a peep or fret it. But tomorrow it will talk once more, squawking and singing with much more. Squawk, squawk, the parrot sings, flapping its wings, making things ring. Tweet, tweet, it says hello. The parrot's words always flow. The parrot's words always flow. The parrot's words